Hello everyone, this is group number 2, formed by Ana Alandete Clement, Andrea Soriano Yañez, and Mar Fernandez Alcocer. And today we're going to show you our teaching unit through augmented reality. We've based our project on a learning unit about the water cycle. Therefore, we've created a realistic miniature of the water cycle itself, where there is continuous movement of the water within the earth and the atmosphere, plus the fact that the names of the different processes are present. In order to start with the unit, students need to print out the used targets, which works as the symbol that needs to be scanned in order to open up the 3D project. As a result, each student needs to be provided with the mentioned target on a piece of paper. As soon as the target is scanned, the following 3D image appears, and the students will instantly observe the virtual example, which can perfectly be moved from one side to another without any disturbances. So the unit is organized on 9 different activities that needs to be followed in the correct order. Firstly, once the augmented reality image is described, students will have to click on the first link, which is an introductory song about the water cycle. Our aim is to provide visual and engaging learning content so that they become familiar with the terminology. Once the song is reproduced, let's click on the next one, which is a short video with a fan character explaining the topic to the students. Once the students have already covered a dynamic introduction, it is time to play a quick game and check out how much they've understood. At this point, the teacher will explain the different status of matter to the students clicking on the article. As we can observe, it is visual, the information is well organized, and there is also another clip to play in case some students are not comprehending the material. Alright, in order to change the dynamic of the session, students will click on the next activity. As we can see, there is an infographic as well as a list of words that need to be fitted on the different spaces. As we move forward, we find activity number 6, which is the fill in the gaps activity based on the different resources that we have as humans to find water. Afterwards, we click on activity number 7. Which basically contains another video. In this video, students will understand the amount of salty water and fresh water that there is on Earth and how humans obtained it. Coming to the last part of the session, students are provided with an article that they are invited to read at home. To finish, the session is designed in the sense that the unit ends with a practical example. In that way, students apply the knowledge learned throughout the session. We wanted to establish the basis of a fun and dynamic learning unit, so the augmented reality project would fit those objectives perfectly, combining new dynamic and engaging activities portrayed in a new 3-dimensional frame. This is the end of our learning unit. Hope you like it and enjoy it. Thank you very much for your attention.